Hey lovelies, I am going to show you Seint Makeup, but I'm going to show it to you a little bit different. I'm going to do a different video for each piece I use. We use 4 colors is what I give to my clients to use, and that's for a 3D face. It's called 3D makeup. And we have a brightening highlight, main highlight, bronzer, and contour. And as opposed to traditional foundation where you get a flat 2D effect where you just paint the same color all over your face, just as if you were painting a portrait, we are going to use shadows and light, and you would never paint a portrait with one color, and you shouldn't paint your face that way either if you don't want to flatten it. So we're going to accentuate the curves and the lines, give it a 3D effect, sculpt, chisel to bring out the features that we want and bring out our beauty in the best ways, and to hide and slim and adjust the things we don't. And so I am only going to focus in this video on the main highlight because you may have seen people painting it in their face in dots and stripes and various things. And I know that can be a little confusing for some people. And so I'm going to take this main highlight. For me, it's amber, and I'm going to put it mostly in the center of my face because that's where most of the color is on our face, unless you have rosacea or something. We don't, a lot of people will show you doing in the dots and stripes and putting it in particular places. And a lot of times that's how I will do my makeup, just putting it in a particular place because I know where it goes. And the reason we do that is so that you don't have 4 layers of all different kinds of makeup on top of your skin. And this way you just put things where it goes and you don't have to layer. But I think it's going to be easier to show you this way. And so I'm putting it mainly in the center of my face where I have redness and more color going on. And I'm using the blush and bronzer brush, which is awesome. It gives me a thin, light to medium coverage, and it goes really fast. And so I'm just getting coverage. I'm just evening out my skin tones. And that is the first step. That is your main highlight. You can go as heavy or as light as you want. We have different brushes that give different finishes. But that's the first step. Super quick and super easy. Main highlight, step number 1.